Okay guys, so today today is storm. Well, look, I heard a sound. Did you just guys? You guys heard it? Or maybe not. Look what is outside. I'm just putting it out of the window. Look, guys, this is actually crazy. You can't see it. Guys, you can't see. But sorry, but my brother's watching the TV, bro. There's that. Look up. Look up. You just didn't see that storm. There's something. I'll just let the camera so you guys see what's going on. Guys, did you just hear that thunderstorm? Oh my god. That's just so loud, I guess. And scary. Yes, I was almost scared. It's dangerous. There's a the thunderstorm is gonna come again. Guys, my brother just up to water. What the are you doing? My gosh. Let us see this. No. Oh gosh. Hell no. Gosh. Come on. It's like aluminum. Well, just it's just like something crazy, I guess. Yes. Okay, guys, so don't listen to my brother. My brother is playing. If not for me, so I'm annoying. You guys. Please just something.
Melon Playground, but I found the best free models. Subscribe or your phone will be
Get out!
the box you expect. This one, as usual, is inspired by Poppy Playtime, but I don't know what it is.
No.
Entity 6948.